To use an Apple gift card to buy Vbucks in 2024. Start by making sure you have an Apple gift card with sufficient funds to cover the cost of the Vbucks you want to purchase. Open the App Store on your Apple device and sign in with your Apple ID. Next, go to the Fortnite game page in the App Store and select the Get button next to the Fortnite icon. If you already have Fortnite installed, select the Open button. Once you are in the Fortnite game, navigate to the item shop or the Vbucks purchase section. Choose the amount of Vbucks you want to buy and select the purchase option. You will be prompted to confirm the purchase and select a payment method. Since you want to use your Apple gift card, select the Use Apple ID balance option. If you have not already redeemed your Apple gift card, you will need to do so before you can use the balance to buy Vbucks. To redeem your Apple gift card, go to the App Store, tap your profile icon, and select Redeem Gift Card or Code. Enter the gift card code and tap Redeem. Once your Apple gift card has been redeemed and added to your Apple ID balance, go back to the Fortnite purchase screen and select the Use Apple ID balance option to complete the purchase. Your Vbucks will be added to your Fortnite account immediately after the purchase is confirmed. It is essential to note that Apple gift cards can only be used to purchase Vbucks on Apple devices, such as iPhones and iPads. Also, ensure that your Apple ID balance has sufficient funds to cover the cost of the Vbucks you want to buy. By following these steps, you can easily use an Apple gift card to buy Vbucks in 2024.